Hi guys, it's Allie here from Miscellaneous Fuzz and oh my gosh. And if you guys are a true Fuzzy Wuzzy Soul Dryer, you would know that I'm uploading this very late and I apologize. The reason why is because it's kind of hard for me to say this, but I was fighting an alligator and I just really didn't have enough time because like it just took up so much of my time. I see this? Yeah. Battle scar. See this? That's right. Freckles. See this? That's right. A nose. Is this not cool enough? Wait. There. Now I'm cool. So today I'm going to be making a bunch of miniature tiny little slimes, like my favorite types of slimes out of this. Wait. Oh. Oh. We've got a lot of work to do. Let's get started. Okay, oh, whoopsies. So I first want to start off with boraxing this because this is a bit too sticky for my pleasure. Okay, this is good. I like this. I like this. Let's do it. So I think I'm gonna do 5 different slimes. Let's begin. That's like the 5th time I said that this video. So first I'm going to be making some butter slime, and I have Crayola Magic Model, and I'm going to be using some of this. Okay, so this is like a bit tough. So wow, why is this actually kind of good? What? So I'm going to be putting some shaving cream in here because I do not have lotion. Okay, so I'm going to now be adding a color, and I literally just picked out a random one, and it is this shiny black. I actually don't want to do this. Okay, I'm going to be adding this shiny bright orange puffy paint to hopefully give it kind of like a peach color. Probably not. No. Okay, you guys, so I like this color. I'm digging it. Enough. So let's go add some slime. Everybody, it is Miscellaneous ASMR. And I have some slime here that we are going to mix. Okay, let's go. It's not very satisfying at all. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get back to you guys when this is better. Okay guys, so this is the final product. It's not that good, I have to admit. It's really bad, let me just say that. And I used a lot of product on it, so kind of failed. But here is how it feels. Let's get on to the next one. Next, I'm going to be making some foam. So let me go get my foam beads. I have some beads here. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I really like it, so here's some ASMR. on to the next one. Okay, you guys, so next I'm going to be doing some fishbowl slime. I have a little bit of slime here, and I'm going to be adding some pink puffy paint to it to make it pop a bit more. I just said that weird, okay. Okay, I really like that color. It looks really nice in my opinion. But let's go add the fishbowl heat. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. I think it looks super pretty. On to the next one. Okay, so next I'm going to be making some like gold pearlex slime. Sorry, wrong way, that way. Okay, black or off-white? Black or... I'll do both. Comment down below which one you guys think is gonna look better. Okay, like nothing. That one wasn't as cool as I thought it was gonna be. My hands are so dirty. Okay, next one. And last but definitely not least, fluffy slime. To spice this up, I'm going to be adding glittering silver. And my dog is here, so goodness, that's annoying. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so this is the finished product. Quite nice. Could be better. I'm bad. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please comment down below any video suggestions. And also don't forget to subscribe to become part of my Fuzzy Wuzzy army. And also don't forget to share my channel with your friends and family. Well, thank you so much for watching. Bye! Fuzzy Wuzzy's out.